Hi, Jerry Thomas from BlvdHome. I want to talk to you about the difference between a hybrid mattress and a quilted mattress. You know, the big buzzword out there in the world today is hybrid mattresses. Everything's a hybrid mattress. Hybrid this, hybrid that. What is a hybrid mattress? And more importantly probably today is what is not a hybrid mattress. There's really one simple way to look at it, but we're going to talk about it a little bit more than this. But the simple way is a hybrid mattress is a smooth top mattress with no quilting over the top of an inner spring unit. So the other way is a inner spring unit with a quilted top that has either tufts or quilting or something like that in it. Right here you're going to see that about 90% of mattresses are made with this pocketed style coil unit. This one particularly right here is a BlvdRest pocketed coil. A lot of other brands call them a wrapped coil. BlvdRest has a patent on the word pocketed, and so that's why, but they're really mostly similar. There's some slight differences. I'm not going to go into that today, but the reality is they're all this same type of coil unit. And then what we want to do is we want to put something over the top of it. So what happens a lot of times, you know, this is some latex, graphite infused latex. So in beds like a heirloom, for example, or a king coil, they've got latex over the top of a pocketed coil. Now, if that mattress is nice and smooth on top like this, that's a hybrid mattress. So part of a hybrid mattress, what makes it special is a lot of people maybe 5 years ago loved all foam mattresses. And an all foam mattress have a unique feel, in my opinion, maybe not as supportive as a hybrid mattress. So because of that, people wanted the feel of an all foam mattress because it really does have a great unique feel, but they wanted support of an inner spring mattress or a quilted mattress. So the hybrid mattress was kind of born out of that in the fact that it's got the smooth top like an all foam mattress, but at the same time it's got the inner spring like a quilted mattress. So a lot of companies make that quilted mattress, but they call it a hybrid. It's really not a hybrid because it doesn't feel like an all foam mattress. It feels like a traditional inner spring mattress, not an all foam mattress. So just to kind of look at it right here. So this is kind of what a hybrid would look like. You'd have the inner spring system right here, and then you'd have foam right up on top of it, and just a cover over the top of it. And that cover really lets you sink into the mattress and really get into the mattress, but at the same time, that inner spring underneath it gives you amazing support. So the two things you want in that mattress is great support and comfort. And this hybrid, the reason why it was brought out is it gives you both. It gives you the comfort of all foam with support of an inner spring bed. So I wanted to mention one other thing about Purple. Purple is definitely a hybrid mattress. It's definitely got that smooth top that we talked about, but underneath it, it's got the gel grid. And the gel grid, okay, that's a good look at the gel grid that's right inside the mattress. This particular one is a 3-inch gel grid, so it's out of their most popular model, the Hybrid Premier 3. So this is a great example of the only thing that's over the top of this mattress in a Purple is just a cover. You sleep right on that grid, but the cool thing is it's soft and it's firm. So when you lay on your back, it's nice and firm. You disperse your weight and it's nice and firm. Say you turn over onto your shoulder, now it allows that grid to support and give you pressure relief on your shoulders. But again, underneath it is that inner spring on the Premier models. They also have two models, the Purple and the Purple Plus, that have an all foam core inside of them. So that kind of gives you another example of what a hybrid mattress is supposed to look like. So if you're out there looking for a hybrid mattress, I say great job because they're a great mattress. But don't be fooled, not every mattress is a hybrid. Some mattresses have a quilted top and it's not going to have that same all foam feeling as a real smooth top hybrid mattress. I hope this clarifies what a hybrid mattress is. I really appreciate you watching. If you really enjoyed it, ring the bell, hit like. We'll see you again next time.